Greetings. This little video is going to show you how to access your health data for your Apple Watch. I'm going to show you what you need to do in this video. First, you're going to download the QS Access app. This is a third-party app that you will need to download, and it is free. What this app will do is it's going to read your health data app, which is on your iPhone. This is important for you to understand that this app is already on your iPhone. It is pre-installed when you purchased your phone. You will not download this app. So what you'll do is you'll already have this here. You'll download the QS Access app, and next you'll open this up. You'll click on that and come to this next screen. The next screen is the QS Access. You want to make sure that the 1 day row is selected. You do not want the 1 hour. You want the 1 day row. You will then go down and scroll down, and the first one you're going to do is active calories, and you're going to make sure that's green. You'll keep scrolling down, and you'll want to do, if you want to do the heart rate, you can select heart rate. If you want to do the distance, you'll select distance, and then you're also going to want to make sure that you do the steps. So the two most important ones is active calories and steps. Once these are selected green, what you'll do is come down here, and it says create table. You will then select Create Table. Once you push the Create Table, it will come to this screen, and it's going to say Access would like to access your and update your health data in the categories below. So it's trying to read this app only on your iPhone, and you're going to want to make sure you say Allow, and this is going to turn, you want these to be green so it reads this data. Once you do that, you'll see this screen. After you select Allow, it'll come to this screen, and it's going to have all of your data. So this is a screenshot of what my phone looks like with the data that's going to be exported. What you're going to do is you're going to want to select this icon up here. You want to export this data. So once you select this, it will come to a new screen. This is on my iPhone, and it's going to ask me, how do you want to export this? You're going to want to select Mail, so you'll push Mail. It'll come to this screen, and you're going to want to email it to yourself. Do not email this file to us. You need to email it to yourself, and this is what it will look like. Once you email it to yourself, we want you to open this up and save it as your first and last name .csv. Keep it as this file extension. At the very end of the semester, what you will do is you will then upload this file in D2L, and this will be your data for your fitness activity tracker information that we will grade at the end of the semester. You do not need to do this, all these steps, every single week or day. You will just need to do this once, and it needs to be done at the end of the semester before the due date for your fitness activity assignment. If you have any questions, you can contact your professor. Good luck.